To remove background noise from Camtasia, simply go to Hello everyone, how are you today? In this tutorial video I wanna show you how to remove background noise in Camtasia Studio. Simply guys, first of all import your music file. Let's say this one. Also, if you want to import any video, let's say I want to import this one. Okay, so first of all guys, go here in the left side to audio effects. As you can see here guys, there is a noise removal. Okay, just drag and drop into the whole video or the audio track you want to remove noise from it. Okay, let's say here. Okay, as you can see here in the right side, it's in standard way, sensitivity 0, amount 20. When you increase the amount of noise removal, the audio will be changed. So the standard way is 20. So let's say here, hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I want to show you how to check plagiarism for any text you want. So we have an audio without any noise. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.